Welcome back to another Forge instructional video. Today we've got a Mark 7 1.5 TSI behind us, and we're going to show you how to fit our induction kit FMINDK35. Let's jump straight into it. Once you've opened the bonnet, locate the airbox and intake pipe. We now need to release the spring clip just here, and you can do that with such tool as pliers. With a spring clip backed off, you can now pop off the intake pipe. To remove the airbox, you just need to pull up sharply as it is mounted on some rubbers, and that'll come out of the vehicle like so. If your vehicle isn't fitted with this type of battery clamp, you can skip the next stage, but as we have this clamp, we have to remove the battery and rotate it around. Using a 10mm socket and ratchet, we're going to remove the negative and positive battery terminals so that we can remove the battery. With the battery terminals now removed, we can remove this top clamp just with this 10mm fastener. Now we just need to remove this 30mm fastener that holds the battery clamp in. Next, we need to remove the battery from the vehicle. Next, we need to remove the 30mm fastener attaching the bracket to the battery tray. You can do that with a 30mm ratchet and socket. With the 30mm fastener removed, we can now remove this bracket, rotate it 180 degrees, and then refit and attach with the 30mm fastener. Now to reinstall the battery, we do the opposite of what we've just done, so we'll show you that now. Just a quick interruption, when refitting the battery clamp, if your vehicle has this wire coming off the negative terminal, you can feed it under this clamp to stop any interference with the clamp and the negative terminal. We're going to remove the two normal fittings on the breather system now. You just click those in and then pull them out. Using a T30 bit on a long extension, you need to remove the two fasteners holding on the turbo elbow. These are located right at the very back of the turbo adapter, and you can get from them just below here. With the fasteners removed, you can now slowly pull away the turbo muffler delete, making sure to not lose the two fasteners. Next, with the muffler delete removed, you're going to use a pair of needle nose pliers in those holes to push in the tabs, and then pull sharply on this part to remove it from the vehicle. Now with this part removed, you're going to take the forge machined part with the location marker there, and then pop that on like so. Now with the adapter in place, you use a supplied U-clip to secure that completely. Now that we're back to the vehicle, we're going to install the turbo adapter, and that goes in this orientation, just in place down here. Now we're going to fit the silicone inlet hose. We're going to pop the hose clamp on one end and then fit that to the turbo inlet adapter. Now we're going to fit the breather adapter. Make sure to pop a hose clamp over the silicone hose, and then we just simply fit that into place. Then take our fixings here, attach those all up, and then screw down the hose clamp. Now with the extra takeoff on the silicone hose, we're going to fit the hose clamp and then fit the supplied machine bung. We're now going to fit the heat shield. Make sure you fitted the supplied rubber bungs, and you insert this with the cold side first and place that in on the rubber bungs. We're now going to fit the hard pipe. Don't forget to put your Jubilee clip on the silicone hose side, and then we'll pop that through and then secure it nicely. Now we're going to fit the filter. Don't forget to pop the hose clamp on first, and then we'll fit that just by squeezing it on. Don't forget to make sure you've tightened up all your hose clamps, especially the one at the back. There you go, that's the induction kit fitted, a nice easy install. Now take it for a drive, enjoy the added acoustics in the engine bay and a little bit more peak performance. If you like that video, let us know what else you want to see us fit, and drop comments, likes, and we'll see you in the next one.